Crash course on journalism. Multimedia journalism. Gain an understanding of new forms of journalism, including podcasting, data journalism, and video reporting. Journalism is the practice of collecting, analyzing, and presenting news and information to a broad audience. With the advent of new technologies, the face of journalism has evolved, and multimedia journalism has emerged as a popular form of storytelling. In this crash course, we will explore the world of multimedia journalism, including podcasting, data journalism, and video reporting, among other things. Multimedia journalism is a type of journalism that incorporates multiple forms of media to tell a story. This includes text, photos, audio, video, graphics, and interactive elements. Multimedia journalism is designed to engage readers in new and exciting ways, and it has become an essential tool for journalists to reach a wider audience. One of the most popular forms of multimedia journalism is podcasting. Podcasts are audio recordings that are designed to be listened to on demand. Podcasts can be on any subject, from news to comedy to history, and they can be as short or as long as the creator wants. They are usually hosted on platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. One exciting example of podcasting in journalism is the Serial podcast. This podcast tells the story of a murder case in Baltimore, Maryland, over the course of several episodes. The podcast was wildly popular, and it even led to the reopening of the case. Another form of multimedia journalism is data journalism. Data journalism is the practice of using data to tell a story. This can involve collecting data, analyzing it, and presenting it in a way that is easy for readers to understand. Data journalism is often used to investigate complex issues, such as politics, healthcare, or climate change. An excellent example of data journalism is the Pulitzer Prize-winning project, by ProPublica, which investigated the use of predictive algorithms in the criminal justice system. The project used data to show that these algorithms often perpetuate racial bias, leading to unfair sentencing practices. Video reporting is another form of multimedia journalism. Video reporting is the use of video to tell a story, and it can involve everything from interviews to documentaries. Video reporting is often used to tell visual stories, such as breaking news or travel stories. An exciting example of video reporting is the 36 Hours series by the New York Times. In this series, reporters visit different cities around the world and explore them over the course of 36 hours. The videos are beautifully shot and give viewers a sense of what it's like to visit these cities. Other popular forms of multimedia journalism include interactive graphics, live blogging, and social media reporting. Interactive graphics are often used to illustrate complex stories, while live blogging is a way for journalists to provide real-time updates on breaking news. Social media reporting involves using social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook to report on news events as they happen. Here are the top 12 popular modern journalism multimedia. 1. Podcasting. Podcasts are audio programs that are distributed digitally and available for download or streaming. Podcasting has become increasingly popular over the years, and there are now podcasts available on a wide range of topics. 2. Data journalism. Data journalism is a form of reporting that involves analyzing and interpreting data to tell a story. This can involve collecting data, visualizing it, and presenting it in a way that is easy for readers to understand. 3. Video reporting. Video reporting involves using video to tell a story. It can be used for everything from news coverage to travel stories and documentaries. 4. Interactive graphics. Interactive graphics are a type of multimedia journalism that allows readers to explore data and information in a more interactive way. This can include maps, timelines, and other types of visualizations. 5. Social media reporting. Social media reporting involves using social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to report on breaking news and events in real time. 6. Live blogging. Live blogging is a form of multimedia journalism that involves providing real-time updates on events as they happen. This can include live tweeting, video coverage, and more. 7. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a relatively new form of multimedia journalism that involves creating immersive, 3D environments that allow readers to experience a story in a new way. 8. Augmented reality. Augmented reality involves overlaying digital information on top of the real world. This can be used to enhance news stories and provide additional information to readers. 9. Documentaries. Documentaries are a form of multimedia journalism that can be used to tell in-depth stories about important issues or events. They can be distributed through a variety of channels, including streaming platforms and television networks. 10. Webinars. Webinars are live, online events that allow journalists to share information and engage with their audience in real time. They can be used for everything from Q&A sessions to in-depth discussions on specific topics. 11. Infographics. Infographics are a type of multimedia journalism that uses visual elements to convey information. They can be used to explain complex topics or to provide additional context to news stories. 12. Animation. Animation can be used to tell stories in a unique and engaging way. It can be used for everything from explainer videos to short films. These are just a few examples of the many different forms of multimedia journalism that are available today. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative forms of storytelling emerge in the years to come. In summary, multimedia journalism is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that incorporates multiple forms of media to tell a story. Podcasting, data journalism, and video reporting are just a few examples of the many forms of multimedia journalism that are available today. These forms of journalism are designed to engage readers and provide them with a more immersive and interactive experience. Multimedia journalism is changing the way that news is consumed, and it's an exciting time to be a journalist. As new technologies emerge, it's likely that we will see even more innovative forms of multimedia journalism in the future. And now, as promised, here's a poem about multimedia journalism. In days of old, a story told. In print or on the air. But now, we have multimedia. To share our tales with care. With podcasting and data too. And video to see. We bring the news in many forms. For all the world to be. Interactive graphics help explain. Live blogging keeps us near. Social media reporting tells the stories of events as they appear. No longer just words on a page. We use all forms of art to captivate and engage and touch the reader's heart. We bring the world to your screen in all its depth and hue. With multimedia journalism, there's always something new. So let us tell our stories in ways both old and new. With multimedia journalism, we'll bring the world to you. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.